Meaning of flipper.
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 Flipper. The term flipper can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, a flipper can refer to a device or object used for flipping, such as a cooking utensil or tool used in gymnastics. Alternatively, a flipper can also describe a person or organization that engages in the buying and selling of assets, such as real estate or stocks, in order to make a profit. Regardless of its specific usage, the outcome of using a flipper is typically a swift and decisive motion that achieves a desired result.